Hello friends, welcome to another episode. Today we'll be looking at the stock which are having good potential for a trade tomorrow. So first, starting with Nifty. Today Nifty started with a gap up and it made a new structure high here, but it was not a retracement which I could trade, so it was a no trade for me on Nifty. I was expecting like it should come somewhere around here, and it did not retrace that much. But still, if someone was interested in opening long positions, seeing this huge gap up, then there was a trade. Somebody interested could have taken this once this retracement was going down, and this particular swing made a new structure high here. It on a lower time frame, it gave a good retracement to 61.8 Fib ratio. So if somebody was interested, he would have opened the position here, keeping the stop loss around just below this, and I think the target would have been almost achieved. Yeah, it's already achieved. 126.7 extension has been achieved on Nifty. But still, I would not prefer to trade unless there is a retracement which is below 50% of a swing. As per my trading system, I consider this as the discount zone and this is the premium zone. So if I'm looking for a long position, I will expect that the price should be retracing inside the discount zone. So I can get a full, full position from here and pressing a small stop loss somewhere below this pivot area or this previous swing low. So what should we expect tomorrow? Is still the, we are having a range for Nifty here and here. It is trading between these swings, and whenever I find that Nifty is giving a retracement somewhere in this area below second half of this swing, I would be expecting something like this. The same criteria which got fulfilled here, like this. I will be looking for the same pattern here, and when it gives something like this, then only I'll be opening a full-fledged long position here. Otherwise, I'll be just skipping and just trading my stocks. So let's look at these stocks which I have chosen for tomorrow. First one is McDowell's. I have been discussing this stock for quite a long because I was, thinking that this stock will be giving an upside potential. It is also giving this what is it called inverse head and shoulders and all that. I don't usually trade these kind of patterns which are textbookish. So as per my analysis, this stock is done going down and it is now having potential to go up. So till now the premise looks to be holding. I took some trades in between when I was thinking that the trade will be going up. Like I took the trade somewhere around here. I mean this area, but got stopped out, a small stop loss. And I think there was one more trade in which I was stopped out in between. There were two trades somewhere here. One was here, I remember exactly, but one was even maybe on much smaller time frame. And there were two trades I think which I had a positive. I gained some good profit somewhere around here, I guess. I opened this position somewhere around here and booked it. Yeah, booked this on this potential swing. And today I also opened a new position on the 3-minute time frame. If you see, I have already discussed this particular setup yesterday, I guess. So once this small new structure high was created here over this swing, I was patiently waiting for 61.8 retracement for this particular swing, entire swing. And once it was in my range, I just had a buy limit order here and place the stop loss here. So currently, I think it is having a good run up. Seeing the momentum to the upside, I have not booked the profit, but still in profit. I have logged my profit somewhere around 800 or 801, but the position is still running. So the potential which I can see for tomorrow is still for a long position here. We can still open a long position somewhere in this area. in 61.8, 805.85. So if you open another long position around in this area, if you get a retracement, of course, then I think it will be a very good trade as well. A smaller time frame trade it will be. I will be opening the long position around 805.5 or 806, and the stop loss will be coming somewhere around 800.5. Potential target will be 1 to 1 extension of this swing, which will come somewhere around 821. So this is first stock. Another stock which I have already shared yesterday was Mindtree, and it did not give a setup today, so I have skipped this one. But still, we are anticipating that the trade setup will be showing maybe tomorrow. So on this one, I'm expecting that this particular swing high should be broken to the upside, which will be giving a premise that the smaller time frame uptrend has started. So I'll be starting to wait patiently on this one, and we'll be opening the long position somewhere around 35, 32 area, keeping the stop loss somewhere below 35.16. So my potential target will be 1 to 1 extension of this swing, which will be very big. So we'll be observing the price action as it unfolds tomorrow. It will be a quite big, around 9 hour trade, and potential target which I'll be looking for will be 36.77 or 36.78. The same kind of setup is getting replicated on LTI. In this, I'll be waiting for this swing to break up, which is uh, 4910 and once this has broken to the upside, I'll be opening the long position somewhere around 48.89, keeping the stop loss just below 48.80 with a target. The target mechanism for me is exactly same for every trade. I open target in an expectation to achieve the 1 to 1 extension of my original 15-minute swing. So it will be around 15-16 hour trade if it materializes, of course. So it will be somewhere in the area of 51.17. Another stock which is giving some good potential is Jubilant Food, and I'm expecting that this once this swing to the downside has been broken, this lower high has been broken to the upside here. So I have plotted this retracement tool, and I'm expecting for this to retrace around 576 or 577. My stop loss will be on a smaller time frame, maybe on 3 or 5 minutes. So I'll be just going with a 3 or 4 point stop loss, and the target will be again the same 121, 127 extension of this original swing. So your stop loss will be very tiny, and your potential target will be very high. So you'll be giving good reward on your invested capital around 7R. So these are the trades and stock which I'm looking for tomorrow. If you like, please share and comment on the comment section so that I can reply your queries. And please do share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much.